It's a Ferrari. Hey, there's the wife. Yeehaw, buddy! Remember, ladies and gentlemen, it's a Ferrari. It's a Ferrari. It's a Ferrari. Hey.
It's a Ferrari.
It's a shitbox.
It's a me, Mario. Let's take your driver test.
What's up, guys? Today we are at Dream Car Exotics. We're actually putting it on. They asked us if we could help run the event. We got our Lamborghini Huracan, our Audi R8, Ferrari 458 Italia. Chad's gonna do some test laps in the Huracan right now.
This thing got picked up, bro.
Yeah, it does. Is it pretty fast?
Do it. You'd be like, oh shit, all-wheel drive.
That's the best one so far. You got Steve, an Audi R8.
Let's do this.
Those shocks are gone.
Oh yeah.
That's gravel. Yeah, we're gonna slow down for that one. All right. I like it, dude.
This one just stays in second.
Those are all first because of how high they rev.
We gotta move this. We gotta make this pit.
Are you guys going for a rip? Hey, Steve! What's up, guys? We're probably like halfway through the event. Everyone's having a blast. Steve's giving some ride-alongs. I think we got small hand Chads over here doing a ride-along. She's not as quick as the BMW though, is she?
Nice car. What's the retail on one of those?
More than you can afford, pal. Ferrari.
All right, Jesse, let's go. That's what it's all about, doing it for the kids.
It's a Ferrari!
It's a
Ferrari!
It's a Ferrari! Hey! It's a Ferrari! That's a Ferrari.
There's your wife!
There we go. Now I can get her and get this show started.
It's terrible. Drives like a pig.
Oh, you can't say that.
Why not?
It's a Ferrari.
It's a shitbox. It understeers like crazy and the weight distribution is a disaster. It's amazing. All these facilities and you make a piece of crap like this.
About where this gas meter is when I say brake, so about right here I'll say brake, stay to the far outside right, dive in tight, let the car float out while you're back on full throttle. Here's a little sharper turn, you're going to stay out, dive in right here, then you kind of want to hug a little bit, stay a little bit wide, because this is where it gets tricky. You go in right here, this is a big old U-ey, so I take it wide, so I have plenty of speed for my straight, what's actually back there. Yeah, you're good. It's a big old U-ey, but you got the, you see the idea where it is. All right, well, floor, buddy, go. All gas, go, 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 go. Brake. Brake, dive in, there you go, there you go. Gas, go, go. Brake, dive it in. There you go, out. Dive it in, that's why you want to go a little bit wider. A little bit, yep. A little bit wider, go, all gas. Okay, brake, 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 go out. Alrighty, this time stay a little bit more wide. Now dive in, same thing here. Stay wide, and now dive in. There you go, perfect. Wide, wide, go, go, go. Go, 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 brake. Dive in, there you go, there you go. Go out, go wide, dive in, all gas. Brake, go ahead and do another lap. Go wide. Alrighty, go, 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 go. Brake, there you go. There you go. Out. In. Awesome, perfect. Dive in here and then just chill, like right here. And we will swap and get you your ride along. Hit the start.
Good shit,
Put that back in sport mode. Go, Carl, go! Yeah, forget that cone.
Use the paddle shift.
Let her rip.
Let her rip.
Honestly, you're probably not going to use them just because it's so short.
Okay.
But yeah, let her rip. There we go. Brake. Turn in. Brake.
age,
Brake.
I
Turn in.
used to race go-karts.
Oh yeah, trust me,
And
they're
the
fun.
go-karts go 120 miles an hour on the inch off the ground, so.
Brake, turn in. There you go. You got this.
Sure hangs the road nice, doesn't it?
Oh yeah,
Man.
very much so. This one grips the best. Brake, turn in.
You got one more left.
One
right?
more. You got this. You got this. Gas, gas, gas. Brake, turn in. There we go. God, Michael Schumacher over here.
Huh?
That's the famous Ferrari Formula One driver, Michael Schumacher.
Pull it right up front.
Pull up right behind this Ferrari and get the next person.
Yeah, I got the Ferrari next.
Oh, yeah.
11:30. So
That one.
Anywhere here? Or?
Right here's perfect.
I thought Carl's like always pushing the envelope. Like, when is good enough just good enough, bro? You know?
Yeah, you know I do what I do when I do what I do.
Here he comes. Last time.
Bro, we at least need helmets. Like, what the hell is wrong with us?
Sauce.
We need better seats for this.
Ooh. Sliding around in my Beamer.
Yeah, let's have better traction.
A little bit of push.
A little bit of body roll. We got like the same speed about. Might be able to keep up. Yeah.
Here we go. Doing it for Dale.
Yeehaw.
Woo!
Alright. Cooler off. Let's lock up everything. That's fun.
That was really good time. Good way to finish this.
Yeah. That's where we do our drift events right here.